Hello everyone, how to do it? I'm back with another new video, and in this video I'll introduce app. It's called Ours AI Home Design. So basically this is interior design or exterior design. If you want to make your house and if you want to get inspiration, then you can use this app. So you can see here the name of the app Ours AI Home Design. You can download and install this app from Google Play Store and App Store. If you look at the statistics, so let's a quick dive into it. 4.2 ratings out of 5, 26k reviews, 146 megabyte size of the app, and you can see here 1 million plus people already download this app or use this app. So let's see the main feature, like AI interior design. You can see interior AI and home decor. So you can decor your home, and you can design made easy a room planner. So you'll get help from artificial intelligence and transform transform your space with AI. So you can see here how AI suggests to replace your furniture with AI. So you can also replace your furniture, and AI suggests you the best things. Design your dream home, and new styles available here, and you can share with your friend on social media. So the app is really good, and many people give the good ratings. Best AI app to create realistic designs. The feature constantly improve. I wish it could do landscaping. So people give the good ratings. And if you want to learn more about this app, like what is the main feature, then you can read here. The app is released 2023, and I will create you a more video how to use this app in upcoming tutorial. This is a quick info about this app.